Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude unable to log in. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to try and fix this, you can go ahead and bypass the browser redirect loops by opening up a new tab right here and just type down claude.ai/new. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. And once it loads, just go ahead and log in from here. You could go ahead and log in manually by using one of your Google accounts, or continue using your email right here. Type it down, hit on continue with email, enter a verification code, click on it, and just find the verification code that was sent to your emailing service. Type it down right here, click on verify email, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, a few fixes. If that still won't work, if you have VPNs and proxies enabled, disable them for now. All right. Whenever you use OpenAI, Claude AI, or whatever AI, disable VPNs. And then if that still won't work, let's go ahead over to the three dots right here of our browser. Click on settings. In the left panel, find privacy and security. Scroll down to third-party cookies. And then scroll down, find see all site data and permissions. Find Claude AI and then Claude.com. All right. Delete them both. Delete. Once that's done, close the browser, reopen it. After that, open up a new chat from Claude. Continue with the logging in. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Claude unable to log in. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.